Have you ever tried Turkish leek rolls? They may not look impressive at first, but they're one of the hidden gems of Turkish cuisine. Filled with a flavorful mixture of ground meat, rice, and onions, these tender leek rolls are surprisingly delicious. You can also make a vegetarian version by simply leaving out the meat and using a rice-based filling. Leeks are naturally rich in fibre, vitamins, and antioxidants, making this dish both nutritious and satisfying. Slow cooked until tender, they absorb all the wonderful flavours of the filling. If you've never tried it before, this is your sign to give it a chance. You might discover a new favourite Turkish recipe. Today, we're making Turkish leek rolls.